The transformation of sales methodology has reached a pivotal moment with the emergence of platforms like Event Anywhere, which converts traditional cold calling into data-driven, relationship-focused interactions. This revolutionary approach represents a fundamental change in how businesses connect with potential customers and nurture leads through an intelligent, automated sales process. At the heart of this transformation is the reimagining of webinars as interactive experiences rather than simple information delivery systems. The platform enables hosts to create engaging sessions where attendees become active participants in a broader community. Instead of the traditional post-webinar scramble of cold calling attendees, the system facilitates organic, informed follow-ups through sophisticated chat features and self-service booking options, allowing prospects to schedule meetings directly. The intelligence built into the system revolutionizes follow-up strategies through advanced tracking and engagement metrics. After hosting a webinar, presenters can utilize the screen recorder feature to create personalized video messages addressing specific concerns raised during the session. This targeted approach yields valuable metrics. Hosts can track who views their content, measure engagement levels, and monitor when prospects are active online. This wealth of data transforms blind outreach into strategic communication, ensuring every interaction is relevant and timely. The social feed feature creates a dynamic space for community interaction, where attendees can engage with content, connect with team members, and interact with other participants. Hosts can share various content formats, including webinar recordings, explainer videos, and voice notes, all of which are tracked and measured for engagement. The platform monitors how the community consumes this content, providing crucial insights that help sales teams identify and approach warm leads rather than cold prospects, fundamentally changing the nature of follow-up communications. Timing becomes a strategic advantage with real-time visibility into user activity patterns. The system provides detailed information about who's currently online, their recent interactions with content, and their overall engagement patterns. This information enables sales teams to make informed decisions about when and how to reach out, whether through immediate chat messages for active users or scheduled video calls for recently engaged prospects, ensuring each interaction occurs at the optimal moment. The notification system ensures continuous engagement through both in-app and email alerts, creating multiple touchpoints for interaction. When messages are sent through the platform, recipients receive immediate notifications, maintaining the conversation's momentum. This feature helps build sustained relationships rather than isolated sales interactions. The system also notifies content creators when their materials receive engagement, providing immediate feedback on prospect interaction and enabling quick follow-up opportunities. The platform supports long-term relationship building through series-based webinars that guide prospects through the buying journey. Each event builds upon previous sessions, creating a coherent narrative that deepens understanding and trust. The Expo Hall feature provides a virtual networking space where organic conversations can flourish between events, facilitating natural progression through the sales cycle. This approach creates a continuous value-add environment rather than isolated sales touchpoints. This systematic approach effectively renders traditional cold calling obsolete by replacing it with data-informed, relationship-focused interactions. Instead of interrupting prospects with unexpected calls, sales teams can engage through a framework that respects user preferences and builds trust through meaningful interactions. The platform transforms the traditional sales approach into a more sophisticated, relationship-driven methodology that prioritizes engagement and value creation. The transformation represents more than just a technological upgrade. It's a paradigm shift in sales methodology. By providing real-time insights, facilitating meaningful interactions, and supporting relationship building at scale, the platform creates an environment where sales becomes less about cold outreach and more about nurturing warm, qualified leads through strategic engagement. This evolution demonstrates how technology can enhance human connection rather than replace it, enabling sales teams to focus on building relationships that drive business growth while respecting the modern buyer's journey and preferences.